Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to play It's Valentine's Day by Merrell Twins in the key of C. In order to play this song, we need to learn 6 chords on ukulele. We have C, E minor, F, F minor, G, and E. C on a 3rd fret, 1st string. Next, E minor. 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and 4th fret, 3rd string. Next, F. 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 4th string. Next, G. 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 4th fret, and 2nd string. Next, E. 2nd fret, 1st string, 4th fret, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. Next, F minor. 1st fret, 2nd and 4th string, 3rd fret, 1st string. And the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down. For example, up, down. In intro, we have 4 chords: C, E minor, F, and G. On chorus, we have 5 chords: C, E minor, F, G, and F minor. It's Valentine's Day, a day to be happy when you have no day. It's Valentine's Day, a day to remind you that you have no way. I ate a lot of chocolates, I didn't get chocolates. Oh, this rose smells very nice. It's Valentine's Day, and I really, really love this day. Before we proceed to verse, we're going to play G major chord. And the strumming pattern is down, but it's 6 times fast. 2, 4, 5, 6. Again. 2, 4, 5, 6. It's Valentine's Day, and I really, really love this day. On verse, we have 4 chords: C, E minor, F, and G. We're going to play it 4 times. After that, we're going to play F major and G major 2 times. Let's play verse. I've got a date with someone that I love. I've got a date, you know the kind of knots. I have a red dress that I'm going to wear tonight. I'm going to wear a t-shirt and sweats tonight and watch Netflix all by myself. Now we're going to play 2 times F major and 2 times G major. Today's a crappy day. Now we're going to play chorus. It's Valentine's Day, a day to be happy when you have no day. It's Valentine's Day, a day to remind you that you have no day. Do you want some chocolates? No, it'll give me acne. Oh, this rose smells very nice. It's Valentine's Day, and I really, really love this day. Next, bridge. We have 4 chords on bridge: C, E, G. Let's play bridge. Valentine's Day is a dream come true. At least I get to spend this day with you. On chorus to coda, we have 5 chords to play. C, E minor, F, G, and F minor. Let's play. It's Valentine's Day. Now I have to get something for my bae. It's Valentine's Day. I still have the money cause I have no bae. Should I buy him chocolate? He just bought you chocolate. How about a sweater? You can do much better. And I'm starting to stress out. Cause it's Valentine's Day. I have to get something for mine. I don't have to worry about a bae. Valentine's Day is a day to express love to our families, relatives, friends, and also to our pets, like Belle. Shout out to Sigara, Kate Blackies, Toolmaker, Hey Jewels, Beat and Beyond, Heidi Bodie, Princess Laranas, Sheng Montero, Jenny Peros, and Batang Karian. And that's it! I hope you guys have fun with the lesson and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys! Thanks for watching! C, A minor. G minor chord. Huh? Wait, langaw. E minor. I have to get